Na rwangi rwa urimi na irio niru AFA nirwithiritwe rukiuga nirubanganite kwithura rukithiuruka thokone mwanya mwanya kenda gutegerera kethira watho bwa kwendia nthungu na kiro 50 nirugwitithwa na mbere. Aria AFA thiritwe ikiuga gwakagita nande thoko mwanya mwanya ndene ya kaunti ya Meru, Nyandarua na kinya kaunti ya Kirinyaga amwe na kinya kaunti ya Narok itithiritwe ikithingatira mawatho jaja. Boniface Mwongera katumenyithie chu
mukana jo morito najo ijuitikire arimi na biashara bara bethoro betondere ithungu kana ikwachi na kwethiro bekorokithia kunia kare ka kilo 50 kulingana pesa mantu jimira no rimi aja nthiguru ne Kenya bwana KWAMBIRIRIA na ugite kiume gitu kwambiria ntukwerojo rwangi rwafa bakethiro bethiuronka na muchalicha jojo thirikari kenda kwethiro begandura bara bonde Pedrito bakiuna mawatho jaja.
I'm going to direct the Director General of AFA to immediately put in place measures to enforce regulations guiding packages of potatoes. We are going to work with the county governments where potatoes are grown to enforce those laws.
Taoni kathomba nacio imwe kumoroterwa Kiremara na ingi cia kuma kaunti ya Narok na ria kwithira ukiando ithungu icithirito cioroteri na Nandi kulingana PS KWAMBIRIRIA na gwite musakojo ketho kiambiria no mwanka antu bathikire watho.
There are fines whereby if you fail to follow those regulations which somebody can be fined as much as 500,000 Kenya shillings and even more. You can even be fined, jailed for 1 year and even fined Kenya shillings 500,000 for failing to sell potatoes in a package of 50 kilograms.
Manto jaja musako najo yakinyanitie kinya gwe kinya na mushimo jo ketho jo kiambiria ntukwerojo kiume kimoja Nairobi. Arendegura Kenya kethiri gwatogeni arungamiri nkuru kengirije kumandeguro shome kuja kwarire mantuji kwachi.
The bid was very competitive. The delegates from the World Potato Congress came to evaluate Kenya, and we were competing with Israel. They passed through Israel before they came here, and what impressed them most is that we were bidding as a PPP, public-private partnership, government partnering with the private sector.
We are very, very proud as the Ministry of Agriculture to be associated with this Congress and to host this Congress. It is actually a show of confidence by world leaders in various sectors like agriculture.
Moshemone jojo najo jobangani twithirikare Kenya ukurukira Ministry oremi amwe na ngwataniro mwanya mwenyitishe kithirikare arajo kethiro yo ithikire ikarone binene bia Carlo aja Nairobi nke reporter Antosho TV weekendi kumaja kengina nginene kinene kemushusha Nairobi mbita Boniface Mwongera.